Hey guys, it's William, and today I'm going to show you how I created this fun 1980s inspired look on our model Brianna's hair. This is such a fun and easy style to do for any kind of themed party, but what I really like about this look is that it doesn't come off as too costumey. You could really just use this style to amplify the vibe of your overall aesthetic, even if it's just for a date night. So, taking small sections, I'm applying heat to the hair with my Hot Tools Ceramic Tourmaline Deep Waver to emphasize Brianna's natural wave pattern and create these really fun and luxurious waves. I'm starting at the roots of the hair and continuing all the way down to the ends. I will be repeating this technique throughout the rest of the hair. Once the waves are in place, I created a deep dramatic side part and teased the hair at the roots with some back combing because everybody knows that the 80s were all about the big hair. I'm also applying a generous amount of Skyline dry shampoo powder by R+Co all over the hair from mids to ends. This is going to help fluff the hair up a bit more while adding that effortlessly undone texture. So using my hands, I'm just going to emulsify the product to allow the powder to fully dissipate so that all we're left with is this beautiful undone look. Now I'm going to spray the hair all over with Trophy by R+Co. This is going to add shine and luster to the hair while locking in that beautiful texture that we've already created with the waves. Finally, using a little bit of Mannequin styling paste, also by R+Co, I'm just going to emulsify it in my hands before doing a little bit of detailing throughout the hair and adding some finishing touches to lock in that style, and that's it. So here's the finished look. This is a super fun, quick, and easy style with a big payoff. Check out the link below to see how Brianna's 80s glam makeup look was created. Let us know what you think. We're always so inspired by the amazing looks that you create, so make sure to tag us in your work by using the hashtag #GoPriv. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and thank you so much for watching.